Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you again for being here. It does mean so much to me. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. As you can see from the description, I am so excited. This is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox. It is the Thrift-A-Bag. I cannot wait to get in here and see what is in this box. This is for February 2019. Thrift-A-Bag is an amazing subscription. You receive 3 gently used or sometimes even brand new designer purses, wallets. You know, it could be like a wristlet, a clutch. It's just amazing. The curator of this box does an amazing job with what she does. She is a power seller on eBay, and she has made this subscription. And you guys, I'm telling you, it is one of the best subscriptions in general, in my opinion, because the purses and the items are amazing. And when I say amazing, I mean like immaculate. Like if it's not a brand new item, you would not know that it was not brand new. And we're talking Michael Kors, Dooney and Burke, Vera Bradley, Coach. I mean, the list goes on and on. So I cannot wait to see what February has in store. I will leave all information down below. It is through Cratejoy, so that link will be down there, as well as a coupon code for you to use if you would like to get a discount on your first purchase, and who wouldn't? So that will be below for you as well. Plans do start, I believe, at $34.95 a month. So depending on if you choose like a 3-month, 6-month, 9-month, 12-month, however the plan goes, you can have your pricing vary from that. So let's dive in here. I know I'm excited. So let's get our little box cutter and get this puppy open, because I cannot wait to see what is in here. I have yet to be amazed any month I have unboxed this, so we are definitely in store for a great surprise, I'm sure. So we always open it, and this is on top. This tells us about each item, so I'm not really going to look too much at it, but it does always remind me of the code. The code, it will get you $5 off your first order. It is SN Mom for Southern Mom. So we are going to stick this right here. And I think this is super cute. She always includes an adorable, let me see if I can, okay. An adorable gift bag. I don't know if you guys can see, but this one's like sparkly. It is super cute. So that if one of the items you receive isn't really your taste or your style, you can gift it. How awesome is that? And you'd still end up with 2 awesome designer items. So I think that is a super awesome idea. And like I said, the bags are always adorable. So I love that. So let's just go ahead. I've got glitter on my hands now. And it's this first item. Everything is always wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is the first item I see. And I can kind of already tell from the print that I may know what this is. Vera Bradley Gabby Satchel Handbag. And this one is brand new. And I could tell from the print, I love Vera Bradley. But see, this is what I'm talking about. Everything is always packaged so well so that in, you know, shipping and transit, it doesn't get messed up. So let's take a look. You guys, this is super cute. This is so cute. Okay. Y'all see this? This is like so adorable and like screams spring, and just I like the handle. I like how they're sturdy, but they're not like hard. I love this. And these are pockets here on the side, and then inside, oh, the pattern is super cute inside as well. You've got 3 pockets here, 1, 2, and 3. And then on this side, a zipper. That is super nice. And I do like, if I did not say, that it does zip closed. So that is amazing, you guys. I am like, Yay with this. This is gorgeous. Like, oh, I love it. Is that not beautiful? Okay, so that was item number 1. So let's see what else is in here. Like I said, it never ceases to amaze me at what is in these boxes. So here we have, I am not sure, this feels like a clutch. Just wanted to show how everything, again, just comes packaged so well. This is really, oh my gosh, you guys, this is like so cute. It's like a satiny type material. And look, bling. Is that not precious? Let's see. What are you? Okay, this is Adriana Papel Satin Blush Vow Gemstone Bow Evening Clutch. I have not heard of that brand. And this is a pre-owned item, but if you will look at it, you guys, especially being such a light color and satin, you would never ever know. I mean, look at the metal. It's like not scratched or anything. This is gorgeous. All right. Well, let's see if I can figure out how to open it. There we go. Okay. Had to lift up a little bit on the rhinestone. You guys, this is so cute. Okay, and it has a really decent chain length on it, so if you wanted to use it that way. And then the inside just looks amazing. You got a few little pockets in there. How cute is this? This is adorable. And like I said, I love this chain, so if you didn't want to just carry it this way, you have this option. And that's like a really sturdy chain too. That is so cute. And it's like blingy. I love this. Okay, so that was so beautiful. And then our final item, oh, I can see the brand. This is the Coach OP Art Kiss Lock Wallet Coin Purse. This is pre-owned as well. Let's take a look. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay. Can you guys see that? It's purple. It's gorgeous. Oh. You guys, do you see this? Oh. And it says Coach right down here. And this actually has quite a few compartments. So you have that one, and then obviously your ID and some card slots here, which snaps closed. There is a little flap here on the back as well if you wanted to slide something in there. But I think this is so cute. The coin part. Look, you guys, is that not adorable? How beautiful is that? And you would never ever know that this was pre-owned. That is so gorgeous. Like, I love this. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Coach. I've gotten Dooney and Burke, Coach, Michael Kors. I've gotten other Vera Bradley. I've gotten so many wonderful items from this subscription. It is just, it blows my mind. Calvin Klein, Anne Klein. It's just amazing. So this month for February 2019, we got this beautiful purple Coach wallet coin. I just think that is so cute. coin pouch. It is adorable. We got this beautiful, just like elegant and satin, and I don't know, the bow just to me is like, yes, clutch. This is absolutely beautiful as well. And then a brand new Vera Bradley, you guys. And this is like the perfect size, like I said, you know, and the print is just, it just screams spring, and I just am blown away yet again, which is not surprising. Like I said, this subscription is so wonderful every month. So I will make sure to put down below the link for you guys if you would like to sign up through Cratejoy, as well as that coupon code SNMOM to get you $5 off. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. I absolutely think this subscription is amazing. I think it is 110% worth the price, because I mean, just this bag alone would be more than, you know, $35, $40 easily. And it's brand new. So you are going to definitely more than get your money's worth. And like I said, because she includes the gift bag, you could keep 2 for yourself and gift 1 if you wanted to. So it's just a wonderful subscription, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I definitely enjoy unboxing this and sharing with you guys. I think it is an amazing subscription. I don't think I can say that enough. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.